Hi guys, Mark from Manager Tools here with a quick tip. I'm going this week, leaving tomorrow morning, Sunday, for a week-long trip to one of our clients I'm on the board of. And I have a couple of coaching clients there, and I was getting some guidance about how to attend a management meeting, a quarterly management meeting or board meeting, and I thought I'd share some highlights of that. Future podcast, no questions, so we'll cover it later. I thought I'd share some highlights with you about that. First of all, there's probably a breakfast before your management meeting starts and a board meeting starts. It's not optional. You go. And you don't just sit down with your friends, you meet other people. You make sure you shake everybody's hand. Same thing with dinners. It's not optional. You go. At dinner, one drink. After dinner, one more drink. The first drink is usually not a problem for people. The second drink is usually not a problem. It's the third drink when you get soft and then say, I want one more. And then you say something stupid in front of your boss. These kind of meetings where you come together with other people, they're an important opportunity to network. So when you're at lunch, sit with somebody you don't know. When you see somebody in the room you don't know, go over and say hello. I know that may not be comfortable, but you don't get paid to be comfortable. You get paid to be effective. It's meetings like this where you, particularly if you're remote part of the time, where you have to start forging face-to-face relationships.